I ride my bike.
What kind of bike do you have? Dang! You got shocks, pegs, lucky.
Let's take the Lankeleisi MG600 Plus out for a second test ride. 68 degrees today. It's a little brisk. Actually, it's not even 68 yet. It's going to be at 2 o'clock. So I have a route planned. I don't know if we're going to make it. Starting mileage is 24 miles. Ooh, it is windy. Welcome to New York, boys. We're going to do mostly throttle only, but very, very little pedal assist unless I start getting real low on battery. This road is dual hollow, so I'm going to switch to dual. A lot of hills to climb here. It's definitely going to put strain on that battery. I usually come down this hill when I go a different route. Ooh, my wife said I should have pulled pants on. I guess I should have. Pulling these hills like a champ. Switch to dual hub. Now we're wide open this whole time climbing these hills. Come on, baby, you could pull it. Oh yeah, no problem. We use 1 bar out of the battery. 2.2 miles. Woo! It is chilly at this speed. Front only. We definitely need dual going up some of these other hills though. Just doing a little pedaling for exercise. Trying to warm myself up. The sun is warm, but woo, it's cold. Got an airstream up there. Oh, what's that? That was a bobcat. It was, but it left. That was definitely a bobcat. As I've said it before on my other rides, a lot of times the second and third ride get better mileage on the battery, because I don't know if maybe the battery being charged a second time or the hub gears getting worn in, kind of like breaking in a motor. But I definitely do get better, longer battery time. Cruises along 26, 27 fairly easily. I've taken this route on a motorcycle before. For you guys that follow me, you'd recognize it. Never taken an e-bike this way though, because it's pretty far. It's probably going to be 20 miles at least. And that's because the road is washed out and they haven't fixed it in, I don't know, about 3 years. Don't know why. Still just on single front, pulling these hills. No need for dual yet. Doing pretty good. I'm gonna switch to dual. There we go. Dual engaged. We went almost 5 miles so far. And that's the reason why they have this road shut off. Guess they don't want to fix it. I'm gonna keep it in dual for a little while. Falling Nature Preserve. I could confidently say that this bike on like a rail trail that's fairly flat will get you 50 miles, throttle only. So if you're pedal assisting, you'll get quite a bit more, of course. Nobody's swimming today, that's for sure. Let's go back to single. We'll do single front again. Morning. switch to the back. And pulled it pretty good. I still hear a squeak once in a while. I don't know where that's coming from. How you doing? .6 feels like I'm running into the wind. Against the wind. Y'all know that tune. We're on Hurd's Corner Road right now. I tightened this neck down a few times and it's still loose, and I got it cranked up pretty good. You know, it's rocking between the notches. I set it down to number 3, pedal assist, just because I don't want to run out of battery. No use doing 30 miles an hour everywhere. We're on back hub only. This road is also considered Old Route 22 in New York. We are. We're going to switch to dual because we got to cross Main Route 22. And it looks pretty busy. Definitely not playing around on this road. Railroad tracks and Swamp River here. Oh, look at that. There's a, looks like a beaver made a dam there, huh? Oh, that must stink for anybody going south from where I launched that last time by the state school. Oh, there's otters playing over there. Oh, wow, there's a lot of otters. Look at them all playing. Wow, that is so cute. They may have spotted me. I think they spotted me. I really should go magnet fishing here. Wonder if anybody has. Be a good spot. The bridge has been here a long time. Still in dual hub mode. The road's in pretty bad shape. Not here though. What's up? I think we can switch to single back again. Wow, we've gone a little over 11 miles and still only used 1 bar. So we still have 4 out of 5 battery bars. Woo, it is windy from the north. Winter coming already? I was gonna turn here if the battery didn't seem to do well on this trip, but we'll go a little longer. Still 4 out of 5 battery. Train must have went by. another bridge crossing the Swamp River. This is the one me and the wife did. Went down this way. Oh, that's why. They're working on the railroad all the live long days. Let's do dual up this hill. Let's take a little trip on Cottage Avenue. Been a long time. Oh, just pulled it down 2 bars. So it has 3 out of 5 and it is 13 miles. See what they're doing here. Oh, new tracks. Coming back up on Route 22 here. Let's go back into single mode. 14 miles exactly. Let's go down in there and see what the heck's going on. Guess they're dredging this pond. This is Boyce Park, better known as the Rec Park of Wingdale. I was thinking of going up in there, but used to be a huge sand pile right there. When I was a kid, I used to ride on a huge sand pile back there with the motorcycles and drive around it. Those are fun days for me. And that was back in the 70s, late 70s. Well, apparently this route that I took didn't wear down the battery quite as much as I thought it would. And there was a lot of hills. And dirt road. Crank it up to 5 pedal assist because no need to conserve battery now. I'm shocked, going up all them steep hills. Well, geez, it was like 5 miles of hills almost, 4 miles, steep uphill. It didn't pull that battery down nowhere near what I thought it would have. I thought I'd be about 1 bar coming back right now. Pretty impressive. Samsung battery cells definitely show an improvement over the no-name brands. LG is another good cell. If I had to pick a battery to go in an e-bike, I'd say Samsung. Oh, down to 2 bars at 15 miles. That ball is rolling out in the street. Dr. Joyce Brothers owned that house. She just passed away a few months back. But a lot of you younger people don't even know who Dr. Joyce Brothers is. There's Dual Hollow Road, the one we took going out. Let's do some dual hub action. Dual hub engaged. Take Hoy Road, climb some hills. See if we can suck some more of this battery down. It's another pretty big hill right here, about as big as Anderson Hill. So yeah, this video is like mostly hills. Of course you got to go down the other side, but it never makes up for what you take to go up the steep part of the hill. Here we go. Let's see how this does. This may be, that's probably the same steepness as Anderson Hill. Find out. Oh, pulled down to 1 bar. Yeah, so this is a little bit steeper than Anderson Hill. Just a little. Pull us down to like 10 miles an hour. But no problem. No problem at all. Let's rip up the driveway. pretty good. Let's see what we did today. So we have 1 bar of battery left, 42.8, almost 43. That's 19 miles with a lot of big hills. Trip is also the same, 39.1 max, 20 miles per hour average. Not bad. I was definitely impressed by that with all those big hills. I thought the battery would be flashing by the time I got back. So if you're interested, links down below in the description. And Samsung battery pack, man, that definitely shows its worth. It's a solid bike. Vin Cheezel approved. That's right. Jesse and Keith, winners of free key tags.
Breakfast!
We're gonna try out this OC Organic Kitchen bakery and cafe for breakfast. I'm sure Mama will pick something for a pastry. Let it give you a flat tire. Some of them screens are going out already, huh? Everything's microwaved. I didn't expect that. Mine, I think they made it. They got it from the back. Yours was microwaved. Not what I expected, but let's see how this is. I got the poached egg breakfast. So that's it. Half a croissant, 1 egg, and a bunch of veggies. And you got the, what was it, quiche?
They don't know. She couldn't tell me.
Oh. That was a little underwhelming. Let's see how the pastries are. Yeah, how was yours?
Was dry. I could get a supermarket frozen one and it would have tasted better.
Well, it was microwaved. Now let's see how these pastries are. I got the apple Danish. And what was that?
Chocolate almond croissant.
Let's see. Not bad. My croissant was decent. That came in at breakfast. Mine was $6 and yours was $5 for the breakfast thing.
A few moments later.
1 to 10. 2. Mine was probably, I would say, a 3, 3.5. I didn't know what to expect, but I expected a little more. The waitress that was in there, they have to train their help a little more, so I can't blame her.
She's not
But
a waitress.
No, she didn't. She
girl.
didn't even know basically what they had. Put everything in a paper bag, not asking if we're going to eat there. My wife had to ask for a fork, eating utensils. Didn't even offer if we wanted a drink. Hers was microwaved and pretty dry, so we're going to get a water.
If you want quiche, just go to Big Y.
Yeah. So we won't be returning, but got to try it, right?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.